one of the things that you're really highlighting, I want to talk about the futures and everything else, is that things aren't actually as bad as we all thought they might be, even with inflation, even with supply chain issues. You say earnings estimates for Q1 were basically twice as good as estimates. So what does that say as we look forward to Q2 and beyond?
Yeah, I mean, I think a lot has been priced into the market is the thing here. And when we look at the earnings outlook and we look at the profit outlook for corporations, there have been a lot of dire warnings, and there have been one-off situations like a Target or this morning a Credit Suisse, which I think are very company-specific issues. But when you look at the S&P 500 overall, the profitability picture still looks very good. And I think that that narrative, that negative narrative about profitability and earnings potentially being cut has really ingrained itself into the system. But when you look at the data, it's telling you a completely different story. I think first and foremost, you got to look at what happened in the first quarter. Earnings came in almost twice as good as expected, a 9.5% earnings growth rate versus 5%. What's more is that operating margins were significantly better than expected at 21%, a record high, versus 16.4%, the estimate going into the quarter. So right then and there, you're seeing that companies were able to manage through an even higher inflationary environment in the second quarter very well. And their outlooks weren't cut significantly. The guidance that they gave was not significantly reduced on the back of that. Granted, I will say that the commodity price picture certainly was elevated going into the end of the quarter, and that's something that companies are grappling with going into the second quarter. And we'll hear a lot more about that on the earnings call for the second quarter.
Yeah, we're still going to have to watch those earnings calls. In particular, I think Campbell Soup and Brown-Forman are two really representative stocks about consumer demand, impact of inflation, and things like that. So you're saying things are not as bad as they seem, but we've seen a lot of different companies, some pretty big companies, issue warnings. Target yesterday obviously got a lot of headlines. Credit Suisse this morning, or Credit Suisse, I'm never sure how to say it, just exactly right. Also, Microsoft a few days ago. What does this all mean when these big, giant bellwether companies are saying that they're going to have issues? Doesn't that mean that other smaller companies that people at least perceive to be not as well managed will also see issues?
Yeah, I think that those are headline-grabbing companies. When they're cutting their earnings estimates or their profitability expectations, sure, it's going to catch headlines. I think with Target and with Credit Suisse, those are both very company-specific issues. With Credit Suisse, it's a regional thing. Target, it's an inventory issue, and it's a shift in consumer spending. I do think that we have entered a period where economic growth has slowed down. You're, in fact, seeing places like the World Bank and this morning the OECD cutting their guidance for economic growth for the world, for the globe, over the last couple days. And that's really predicated on slowing growth in Europe and places like Russia and the Ukraine, not as significantly here in the U.S. But so even if we're entering the slower period of economic growth, companies are managing extremely well through this period. Now, there is pressure in specific sectors, like you mentioned. There are the consumer discretionary sector, for example, communication services, as well as the industrial sector. These are three sectors that we're actually seeing profit margins being reduced since the start of the year. So I think that when you look at the market overall, together they can hang, but separately, it's going to be a stock picker's market here because there's individual situations that are occurring, and you're starting to see it come out in these pre-announcements.